In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule in Gmail to filter your emails effectively. Whether you're looking to organize your inbox, manage incoming messages, or simply reduce clutter, setting up email filters is a powerful way to tailor Gmail to your preferences. So let's dive in and explore this simple yet immensely impactful feature. First, begin by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to the Gmail website. Make sure you've logged into your account. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll see a gear icon. Click on it and then select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take us to an array of settings for your Gmail account. Here, you'll want to click on the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. It might be tempting to get lost in all the options available within the settings, but just stick with me and we'll be through this in no time. Next, locate the link that says Create a New Filter, which should appear right near the bottom of the visible options. A dialog box will pop up, and this is where you'll define the criteria for the emails you want to filter. You'll see fields such as From, To, and Subject. Depending on how you want to filter your emails, you can fill one or multiple fields. For instance, if you frequently receive newsletters you don't get around to reading, input the sender's email address in the From field. This is a surefire way to set up highly specific filters. After you've configured your desired criteria, click on the Create Filter button. Keep in mind that the options don't stop there. On the next screen, you'll be presented with multiple actions that can be applied to emails that meet your filter conditions. Among these actions, you can select to automatically archive emails, mark them as read, add a label, or even forward them to another email address. When trying to decide what to do, think about your current email management needs. If you receive lots of important emails that might get lost, applying a label or archiving unnecessary emails could greatly clean up your inbox layout. Once you've decided on the action, check the boxes corresponding to the actions you'd like to apply. If you want these settings to apply to previous emails that match your criteria, simply check the box that reads Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. Finally, click on the Create Filter button once more, and voila! The rule is now up and running. Filters in Gmail are not just a way to manage incoming emails, but they also help you sustain an organized digital environment. This can save you time and reduce distractions in your daily life. Feel free to come back to this tutorial if you want to refine or add more email rules in the future. Thank you for taking the time to tune in, and I hope this guide has been helpful.